Okay, good morning, children. Now, I want that in HTML there are different types of tag. So, the question arises in front of us: what is the difference between them? Actually, some of are related to physical text styles and some of our logical text styles. Actually, question arises in front of us: why this is the division? The division is that logical text styles are those styles in that normally it is having any keywords, it is having the short forms, so through that we can identify that this is what. For example, suppose we are having the keywords like DFN. So it means this is used for logical text styles. So it means to define something. So in the other hands, you can say it is having its own meaning. It's having its own meaning logically. So that's why it is called logical text or logical text. It can be. Now, one more thing, that is physical text styles. It means physically it is available. I am giving you an example. Suppose one tag that is B. So directly you can see B is having its own importance. B is having its own importance. So it is having boldness. It is related to boldness. So here P is a physical text styles, and this type of text styles that can be logical text styles. So the thing is that define or B, I am comparing in both the tags. Suppose that here B that is related to boldness. Maybe another tag you are taking like italic, like underline. So that is having its own meaning. Nothing is behind. You don't think what is it. Only I am telling you that B for boldness, I for italic, and U for underline. So through that you are able to understand what is it. Actually, in other hands, logical text styles means you have to think, you have to use your own brain. After that you are able to understand what is it. So here DFN and many more others like SYS or other many more tags are there. Through that you cannot easily understand. For that you have to think. That's why it is called logical text styles. Actually, the question is that if we are talking about that we have to discuss about the tags, elements, and one more thing, that is attribute. One thing that is tag, one thing that is element, and one thing that is attribute. See, three things are there: tag, element, and attribute. As you know, in the previous video, I have told you about tag. Tag is a command. Tag is a command, and by the tag you can give the instruction. You give the instructions to the computers that you have to do this thing, you have to do that thing. So that is the things, that commands, that instruction that has been given with the help of tag. One more thing, element. What value you are taking? What value you are taking for the individual tag or for the individual attribute? Maybe you are taking one tag, that is body. After that, any attribute you are using, like BG color equals to red. So here three things I have to explain. This is tag, this is attribute, and this is element. Means what value you are having, that is called element is here. So actually today I want to give you one questions. I want to write one questions for HTML programming, simple HTML programming. So in that I have to discuss here if we want that our page, this is our HTML page. On that HTML page, I am going to tell you some different things, like sandbox. Here underline, after that it is an English medium institution means like that any message we want to give. Here we want to write thanks. See, for that there are some instructions. Try to understand. First instruction I am writing here. This title, because this type of question that will come in your exams, board exams. That's why here title St. Paul's is having font 16, color brown, next point, title should be underlined. See, this type of question that will come in your exams out of 5 marks. Out of 5 marks, this type of question that will come in board exams. So you have to prepare yourself more and more so that no problem will be faced by you in your exams. That's why it is the starting of the program. In that I am giving you the points. Next, third point, in that they want word, thanks word is having the color blue, is having color blue. Next, the background of the page is green. And last point I am writing here. I am writing last point maybe thanks should be displayed in left margin. Left margin. See. This type of question that will come in your exams because it is having the importance in your board exams. So this type of question, one question that will come definitely because it is a part of the syllabus. That's why this type of questions I am starting today. So I want that for that I am going to explain the programming also. See, here in simple we are starting with the HTML tag. HTML that should be closed. After that, we are taking the head portion and head should also be closed here. See, after closing head, you can start body. So in title, any title you can give here like XYZ title. After that, we are starting body. In body, the fourth point that was background that should be second last or last step is that the body background that should be green. Here we are starting body. So the attribute of this, the attribute of body we are using, that is BG color. BG color equals to green. Body BG color equals to green. After that, we have to think what is the point? Actually, point is that for writing this, we have to use another tag that is called font. Font size equals to what size you want to take, you can give. So, in your question, 16 were there. After that, if you want that it should be bold also, so style equals to bold. See, here I am writing bold and size is 16. After that, we are writing the things, it should be centralized. That's why we are writing center. Here center should be closed. After that, the text, what text you want to display, so the text that should be written P. In that we want to write send false. After that we are writing equals. See, I think there is no problem. There is no problem. But if you are facing any problem, you can contact me at my WhatsApp, or you can simply on school group, or you can say the app of our school. So, in St. Paul's, whatever we have written, after that we want that it should be underlined also. What you want to underline? Underline means this underline. So, St. Paul's, that should be underlined. Here, after that you, and here सी। अब परेशान ना हो, इसको इस तरीके से लिखते हैं। इन अदर थिंग्स ओनली वी हैव टू राइट दिस मटेरियल। सो वी आर राइटिंग font should be closed, because we want St. Paul's font that should be more than the normal text. So normal text we are writing here P tag. After that it is an English medium school, whatever we want to write. After that P tag. It means we have written this, we have written this text. After that, thanks word that is also having other things. We want that color of thanks that should be red, and it should be in the left side. So if you are thinking that the rest part of this I am writing here, if you are facing any problem, you tell me, because there is no space, only small space is here, that's why I am writing here. See, first of all, font color equals to red. Font color equals to red. After that, DIB align, DIB actually it is the shortest form of division. So DIB then align is an attribute. So DIB align equals to left. DIB align we are using here. So after that we want that thanks word that should be displayed with the following description. So here we are writing thanks and we are closing p tag. See, according to this thanks will be displayed in the left directions, left margin with red color. After that the same thing that should be closed, DIB, then font. So students, you should think on it what you are doing. If you are doing the points, if you are doing the programming, at that time it should be in your practice what thing you are doing. So if you are making the program, at that time no need to worry, silently you have to write the programs and what thing you want in a program that should be displayed. So for that there are different types of tags here, different types of attribute is here. So that tag or attribute you can use. Today I am going to give you the questions regarding the HTML pages. So note down the question. Student, note down the questions. Before coming on the next topic, I want that the question related to this topic I have to tell you. So note it down the questions. Create a web page in HTML for the purpose of your classroom, in that the following things you have to keep in your mind. Following things keep in your mind. Class 10. So I think you are seeing this. So you are seeing that in this web page there are different things, but I have to explain it with the different points regarding this web page. So point by point you have to note it down. Point by point you have to note it down. See the things. First point, the title class 10th. Title class 10th. It should be bold, italic and underline. Bold, italic and underline. Bold, italic, underline, and bold, italic and underline, and it should be centralized. It should be centralized. Next, the description about the web page. The description about the web page, in that you are giving the text. You are giving the text. And in that text, you have to use the different tag and attributes, so that this text can be displayed. As, कॉमा लगा दीजिएगा, साइज इक्वल टू 12, font name equal to Arial, font name equals to Arial, and color equals to blue. Color equals to blue. Color equals to blue.